Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Welcome newcomers. I hope you like everything that you see on my videos. And if you're not subscribed, become a subscriber and hit that bell notification to be notified of the new uploads. Okay, this video is going to be very short. It's not a tutorial. It's just an explanation on one of my orders that I did and still completing. You will see the end result, obviously, when I'm done. I will be putting it on and show you the different ways that you can wear it. It's either very classy or very sporty classy, and it's a beautiful pattern. I've created quite a bit for a few orders and still have a few more to go. This is a very special order for a very special friend of mine that I want to give a shout out to her. Her name is Isaura Garcia. She's in the islands of Azores, Portugal. Beautiful islands. If you haven't checked it out, you should on YouTube. Just write Azores on there. Azocer. Beautiful islands. So for some of you that follow me, you should recognize this blouse that I've done quite a while back. These are the sleeves. This is the middle piece, which the picture will be up, and it should ring a bell to you, or at least some of you that follow on camera. The colors do not give its justice. This is really, really pink, but on camera it looks very baby pink, but it's not. It's a darker pink. So she wanted it in blue, and so I've created, she wanted actually in blue and multicolored for the flowers up top, which is number 34. Just want to make sure I read this number out because some people might order and I might forget the number. And the baby blue is number 2. This is 4-ply, 100% cotton thread. I'm almost done with her blouse. Like I said, camera does not give its justice. So this is the top part with the flowers. This is the sleeves, which I pretty much completed it. Now I'm just at the bottom, finishing up the last. I need one more row at the bottom, which I'm almost there. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I noticed that some of you are creating this blouse also. And on the pink one, because I have a bigger chest, the flowers sort of hang more on top of the chest, so it shows more of the skin. I believe she has less than myself, and we don't want so much of the skin up top of the breasts. So in order to bring this part of the blue up, I've used a smaller hook for this. On the pink one, I've used a 4.5 or 4. This one, I used a 3-point hook because of the so it can pull up more. So with that being said, using a smaller hook, automatically your flowers become smaller. So if they come smaller, this becomes up higher. But of course, on the other pattern, I have 5 rows up top. This one has 6 rows. 6 flowers, not 6 rows. It has 2 rows, not 5 rows. So I have 2 rows of 5 flowers up top on the pink one, and this one has 6 flowers of 2 rows because they're smaller. So it has to take more for the wideness of the shoulder to shoulder. So it's just basically to educate you that sometimes by using the same thread, and you need to make a size smaller, or you need to tighten up a little bit in certain areas, then you need to go with a smaller hook in order, to become smaller in certain areas, and then you continue on with the regular hook for the regular other stitch. Very important for that. I thought to make this little video to let you know, because some of you can come across that issue of not wanting so much of the skin to be showing over the breast here. So this goes right over the breast. The breast stays down here on this area. Okay, and this is more like the neck area. Okay, so I think it's important to let you guys know. I also want to just give a little message to my dear friend. She is going through a rough time right now. Her little puppy is is passed away, and so my condolences to her for the puppy, especially for you puppy lovers. You know how it is when you lose a little puppy. It's like losing a child. I know that for a fact because I had one and had to put it to sleep due to illness, and same situation with her. So I know it's a tough time for her. I feel bad. I wish I could give you a big hug, Isa, but I give you all the strength possible. I hope you're going to enjoy this. This was done with lots of love, lots of care for you, my dear. I wish you nothing but the best. I hope you're going to enjoy this. I believe you will. Once you see it, it's completely different in person than it is on camera. So I send you all my love, and thank you so much for being such a kind person and a good friend all these years. It's been quite a few years that we are friends. We don't communicate much because we are far from each other, but when we do, we pretty much connect well together. So I give you a big, big hug, Isa. Much, much support and strength for you at this time with your puppy. And hopefully you'll find another puppy and fall in love with that puppy too. So, my dear friends, any questions after that with this? You could always email me, Instagram me. My Facebook is down below. All the informations are down below. And so please don't hesitate. Whatever questions you need, just let me know. And I hope that for the newcomers that you're not yet part of this family, that you do become part of this family. Please share the videos on your Facebook public with your friends and families. And please take care of yourselves and each other. And you can go all the way to the end and see the posts that I will do by wearing different pieces of clothes with this blouse and show you exactly how it looks. Thank you so much, everybody. Again, stay tuned very soon for another tutorial that I'm going to prepare. And so I send you much love, much hugs, Isa, and to every single one of you, God bless, and stay safe. And I'll come back to you guys very shortly in a few days. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Oh, and by the way, I've named the blouse Isa. So even the tutorial that I have on the pink blouse, there is no name on it. I'm going to put the name Isa because this is going to be under her name since it's a special blouse for her. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Take care. I forgot to mention, I will leave the link to the tutorial down below in the description box in case the newcomers or some of you that missed that blouse, the tutorial for that blouse. I'll leave the link below, so if you want to create it, you could always go to the link and take it from there. And I explain pretty much on the sizes and how many flowers and how you can go about. And I also want to mention this is Portuguese star stitch for some of you that are curious to know what stitch this is. Everything's explained on that video. Okay, just a little reminder in case you're wondering, well, how can we find the blouse or where is it at? I will leave the link on the description box so you can go right through there and click on it. Okay, everyone? Thank you.